Welcome to Lingua Latina, Chapter 9, Grammatica Latina. So this section has quite a bit to memorize. Has the full forms of the first, second, and third declensions. Declensions are families of nouns. Nouns are born into these families, and what that means by being in this family is they have certain characteristics, like certain families have blue eyes and blonde hair, and some have dark hair. Nouns have sets of endings which are distinctive to them, and so you'll need to learn which nouns you've already learned that are in which declension they belong to. So, and you also need to memorize all of these endings. Now, in my class, we've been doing this along the way, so hopefully you remember from our weekly grammar forms. So I'm going to get right into the translation now. We have the declension of nouns, or the declension of words. Okay. Declension, the first declension. The word insula is declined in this way. So insula is a first declension noun. And again, I'm going to do it out of his order. I'm going to go from nominative, genitive, dative, accusative, ablative. So just insert accusative after dative. So insula, insulae, insulae, insulam, insula. Insulae, insularum, insulis, insulas, insulis. If you're translating these, it would be the island, of the island, to the island, by, with, in, on, from the island. And then the islands, of the islands, to the islands, and by, within, on, from the islands. Okay, so let's read on. In this way, many feminine words are declined. Examples are femina, woman, so girl, puella, filia, daughter, domina, mistress, anquilla, slave girl, familia, family, litera, letter, pecunia, money, mensa, table, villa, house, aqua, water, via, street, silva, forest, terra, earth or land, cetera, others. Okay. So hoc modo in this way means like insula. So you can add the endings I, am, I, aram, is, as, is to these nouns. Okay, the second declension. Let's go down here. We have servus, servi, servo, servum, servo, servi, servorum, servis, servo, servis. And then that is the masculine second declension. There's also a neuter second declension. Same family, but some slightly different characteristics. The main difference is here is we have in the nominative singular, and we have in the nominative and accusative plural. Other than that, it's the same. So like slave, like servus, are declined the masculine words. And here are some examples. Filius, so son, dominus master, fluvius river, numerous number, numus coin, hortus garden, nassus nose, murus wall, equus horse, saccus sack, humerus shoulder, amicus friend, oculus eye, campus field, rivus stream, lupus wolf, and others. Here are a few that could be a little tricky. These are ones that end in R, but they decline just like servus. Okay, so they can be easily mixed up with third declension. Puer, vir, liber. Puer, after you say puer, it goes just like this. Puer is in place of servus. Puer, pueri, puero, puerum, puero. Pueri, puerorum, pueris, pueros, pueris. So it follows that same second declension pattern, although it ends in R. And same thing for wir. So wir, wiri, wiro, wirum, etc. Okay, so pay attention to those. I'm not going to go through I guess I'll go through the neuter, and then we're not going to have time for the third declension. Like verbum are declined the neuter nouns: town, example, staff, door, bedroom, mirror, apple, jewelry, neck, price, sky, and footprint. Okay, the third declension, carefully pay attention to those endings. You need to memorize those just as well and go through this section on your own, and I'll meet you over in the exercises. Buona fortuna with this. This is a little tricky.